You finally found the perfect recipe for that slow-cooked stew or homemade artisan bread, but there's a problem. You don't have the right pot. You try using a regular stock pot, but the heat distribution is uneven, the lid doesn't seal properly, and your dish turns out mediocre at best. Sound familiar? That's where a cast iron Dutch oven comes in. These heavy-duty pots are designed to retain heat, distribute it evenly, and lock in moisture, giving you restaurant-quality results at home. But with so many options out there, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. That's why we've rounded up the 7 best cast iron Dutch ovens to help you find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Whether you want a high-end enameled masterpiece or a budget-friendly workhorse, we've got you covered. All the links are in the description, so check them out if one catches your eye. Now, let's get started. We start with the Le Creuset Evolution Round Dutch Oven, the gold standard in cast iron cookware. This premium enameled Dutch oven is known for its durability, stunning design, and exceptional heat retention. The interior features a smooth, sand-colored enamel that makes it easy to monitor cooking progress and prevents food from sticking. The large ergonomic handles ensure a secure grip, even when wearing oven mitts, making it easy to maneuver. Its heavy lid locks in moisture, making dishes more flavorful while keeping meats tender and juicy. Users rave about how evenly it distributes heat, ensuring perfect cooking results every time. Many reviewers also highlight its longevity, with some saying their Le Creuset has lasted decades without losing its quality. While it's one of the pricier options, its unbeatable performance and durability make it well worth the investment. If you're looking for a Dutch oven that can last a lifetime and beyond, this is the one to get. Next, we move to the Staub Cocotte, another high-end option that delivers top-tier performance. Unlike Le Creuset, it features a matte black enameled interior, which is naturally non-stick and improves over time with use. One of its standout features is the self-basting lid, which has small spikes on the underside that help redistribute moisture, keeping your food tender and juicy. The cast iron body ensures excellent heat retention, making it perfect for slow cooking, roasting, and even high-heat searing. The heavy, tight-fitting lid enhances moisture retention, making it a favorite for braised meats and stews. Many users love its ability to create deep, rich flavors, with one reviewer saying their short ribs turned out more tender and flavorful than ever. Its slightly heavier build makes it feel extra sturdy, adding to its premium feel in the kitchen. If you love deep flavors and need a pot that enhances slow cooking, Staub is an excellent choice. Now, let's talk about the Lodge Cast Iron Dutch Oven, a must-have for those who love traditional cast iron cookware. Unlike enameled models, this one is made from raw cast iron, meaning it requires seasoning to develop a naturally non-stick surface. Once seasoned properly, it becomes an incredibly durable and versatile kitchen tool that can handle stovetop cooking, oven baking, and even open fire use. It's perfect for slow-cooked stews, baked bread, and deep frying, making it a favorite among outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Users appreciate its affordability and rugged durability, though some mention that it requires a bit of extra care to maintain seasoning and prevent rust. Plus, it only gets better with time, as each use helps build up the seasoning for an even better cooking surface. If you're looking for a Dutch oven that can go from your kitchen to a campfire without skipping a beat, this one is for you. Moving on, we have the Overmont Cast Iron Dutch Oven, another fantastic option for those who prefer traditional cast iron over enameled coatings. What sets it apart is its dual-purpose lid, which doubles as a skillet, adding an extra layer of versatility. This makes it perfect for searing meat in the lid while slow cooking the rest of the dish in the pot. The solid cast iron construction ensures outstanding heat retention, making it great for everything from baking to frying. Users love its multifunctionality and solid build, though some mention that it's quite heavy, making it a bit harder to handle. It's an especially great choice for campers and outdoor cooks who need a single piece of cookware that can do it all. If you love multifunctional kitchen tools, this Dutch oven is an excellent addition to your collection. Next up is the Amazon Basics Cast Iron Dutch Oven, an impressive enameled option for those on a budget. It features a durable enameled finish that makes it easy to clean and resistant to food sticking. The 6-quart capacity is ideal for family meals, and the sturdy side handles provide easy maneuverability. While it doesn't have the same premium craftsmanship as Le Creuset or Staub, it performs surprisingly well for its price. Many users say it holds up well for everyday cooking, though some note that the enamel can chip over time with heavy use. Its simple yet functional design makes it a great pick for home cooks who want something reliable without spending a fortune. If you're looking for an affordable enameled Dutch oven that delivers solid performance, this is a great entry-level choice. Now let's take a look at the La Cuisine cast iron Dutch oven, a stylish option with a slightly curved body that enhances heat distribution. The thick enamel coating ensures even cooking, while the heavy lid locks in moisture for rich, flavorful meals. Unlike some budget-friendly enameled options, this one feels more premium, with a durable build that holds up well over time. It's available in various vibrant colors, making it a beautiful addition to any kitchen. One reviewer mentioned that after years of regular use, it still looks and performs like new, which speaks to its quality. It's the perfect balance between affordability and high-end functionality, making it a solid middle ground option. If you want something that offers great performance and aesthetics without the premium price tag, La Cuisine is a fantastic choice. Finally, we have the Vancasso enameled cast iron Dutch oven, a stylish and functional addition to any kitchen. It's available in multiple colors, allowing you to match it with your kitchen decor while still enjoying solid cooking performance. The enameled interior resists stains and odors, making it easy to maintain and clean after cooking. One of its standout features is the ergonomic lid handle, which stays cool to the touch for safer handling. Users love its sleek design and even heat distribution, though some mention that it's slightly lighter than premium brands, meaning it doesn't retain heat as long. Its combination of functionality and aesthetics makes it a great choice for those who want an attractive yet practical kitchen tool. If you're looking for an affordable, stylish Dutch oven that still delivers great results, Vancasso is worth considering. Each of these Dutch ovens offers something unique. If you want top-tier quality, Le Creuset and Staub are unbeatable choices, providing superior heat retention and long-lasting durability. If you prefer a more rugged traditional option, Lodge and Overmont deliver incredible performance with bare cast iron designs that can last a lifetime. For budget-friendly enameled choices, Amazon Basics, La Cuisine, and Vancasso provide great value without sacrificing too much on performance. Whether you're looking for a lifetime investment or just starting your Dutch oven journey, there's an option here that fits your needs. No matter which one you choose, a good Dutch oven will elevate your cooking and bring out the best flavors in your food. Still unsure? If you're new to Dutch ovens, an enameled option like La Cuisine or Amazon Basics is a great starting point. If you love outdoor cooking or want a pot that can handle everything, Lodge and Overmont are fantastic choices. If you're ready to invest in a lifelong kitchen staple, Le Creuset or Staub will never disappoint. Think about your cooking style, how much maintenance you're willing to do, and what kind of dishes you plan to make most often. Whatever you decide, a Dutch oven is one of the best tools you can have in your kitchen. Check out the links in the description for more details, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more kitchen gear reviews. Happy cooking, and see you in the next one.